My friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions, the live price change occur in StormX. What's the high price, what's the current change occur in StormX in the market, and this video I will show you with the live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest and urgent news updates. As you can see here, friends, that is a live price prediction of the StormX of the Storm last one day price prediction you are watching now. If we look the average change occurred in Storm in the previous last one day, so the average change as negative 6.62% because they falls down continuously. As you can see here, the fallings of the gradually Storm falls down, falls down, falls down. As you can see at this time they very highly falls down. And friends, the high price of Storm is about $0.085664 is the high price of Storm in the previous last one day. Absolutely, the change are bad, and I'm very sad to look this kind of change because I'm also holder of StormX. But don't worry about this change. Maybe they go support in the future. Always think positive. As you can see here, the last 1 hour now, that is the last 1 hour price prediction, and that is a live price predictions which the currently change occur in the Storm you are watching now live on this video, friends. The changes are positive 0.27%. As I told you, now they are in the jumping mood. Maybe they, because the changes is positive, so this means that they take an explosion in the last 1 hour. And the high price of Storm is about $0.078878 is the high price of Storm in the last 1 hour. And if we look the current price of the Storm, so the current price is about $0.078449 is the current price of the Storm in the market. It is the current now price of in the markets. So friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to do invest in these coins, so please do your own research. I'm only suggest for you my suggestion for all of StormX holder. If you are a holder, I'm also a holder, so that's why my suggestion for all of you, please hold your StormX coin. As I show you in the start of this video, the last one day price prediction, as you know, the change are in negative the last one day price prediction. That is why it's not best time to sell StormX holder. It's time to hold Storm and make a good amount of profit in the future. And if you want to buy a Storm, so it's not best time because they are also in the fast. As you can see, the last one day price change is a negative, so it's not best time to buy a Storm coin. What's your opinion about StormX, as about future of the StormX? What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent news and updates videos.